Good morning and Jai Hind students. I am Nutan Gupta sending the video of LC Assignment 3 Comprehension Poem. Read the following poem and answer the questions that follows. The full stop is a busy man, a small round traffic cop. He blocks the helter-skelter words and bring them to stop. It means full stop, which we use after the sentence. This is the sentence about this full stop. Full stop is a very busy man. It is just looking a small round traffic cop. He blocks the helter-skelter words. Means he stops all the words and bring them to stop and keep them quiet. When we use the full stop, it means all the words are keep quiet. The question marks is a teeny girl. She is small but very wise. She asks too many questions for a person of her size. Yes. Now this is the description about the question mark. Question mark is looking just like a teeny girl. But she is very small. She is small but very wise. She asks too many questions according to the person. If there is a child, question will be according to child. If there is an adult person, there is the question according to the adult person. So, she asked too many questions for a person of her size. Now next, the exclamation mark is an elf who is really excited. When children laugh to cry or scream, it is then he is most delighted. This is the description about the exclamation mark. And exclamation mark, who is really excited when we are looking sad, happy, laugh. This shows our expressions, our excitement. When the children laugh, it is shown cry or scream. It is then he is the most delighted. It means it is very feel pleased when it shows the any exclamation mark. Of all the punctuation fork, I like the comma best. For when I am getting out of the breath, he lets me take a rest. Now, this is the poem about the punctuation fork. And I like the most is comma. For when I am getting out of the breath means when I have to take the breath after saying or speak some words, then comma give me a rest. Now we will do the exercise. Choose the correct option. The question mark is a small and wise teeny girl. The punctuation mark who is happy to see children laugh or shout is the foolish exclamation mark. Suggest a suitable title. This question you have to complete by yourself. Why is the full stop being compared a traffic cop? Full stop is being compared to the traffic cop because it is used to stop words as a traffic cop stop the vehicle and is very busy like a traffic cop. Which punctuation mark does the speaker like most and why? The speaker likes the comma most because when he gets out of a breath, comma lets him take a rest. Now, do as directed. Write any 4 adjectives used in the poem. First is busy, teeny, small and round. Write any 2 pairs of rhyming words from the poem. Helter, skelter, excited, delighted. Find the word from the poem which means same as disorderly, haste or confusion. Helter and skelter. Now fill in the blanks. Preposition. I found the keys under the bed. I will arrive at 6 p.m. They were walking along the beach. The school will remain closed on Monday. The student went towards the laboratory. This is the exercise of preposition. Clue is given in the bracket. And now next exercise is about the conjunction. Complete this sentence in your own words using conjunction given in the box. We have to use these conjunction according to the sentence. You were so rude to her that you stopped her, that you slapped her. The fan is not working since yesterday. Although he got punishment, he had completed his work. Alka has not spoken to him because of his behavior. I will not to do this work unless you give me some money. Thank you.